Hey guys, welcome back to Matthew's channel. I'm just doing some painting here. So, anyway.
That's some short and sweet introductions. So she's painting some little detail painting. And some great news, as she was cutting a few parts off the chrome tree, she noticed that the headlight, what would this be called? Bezel. Well, you can't see it anyway because the darn camera won't focus. There we go. The little headlight ring. This one's missing. I already threw all the bags away that stuff came in.
And we haven't like touched.
But we haven't really done anything with the chrome tree, so either it was broken off and in the bag, which I pretty much looked through those things because I've thrown stuff away. I've looked all under the counter, so I'm going to have to try, because it wouldn't look good. It goes right inside the headlight, just like the headlight bucket, the silver. Anyway, I'm going to try and cast one. And I'm not sure how that's going to turn out, but it's for Miss Heather. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So she's getting that done. She'll be painting her rims, hopefully. Detail painting some chassis parts. She's already been painting in the
inside
interior.
cup holders.
So the cup holders and all that stuff. She's painted.
That.
Door handles need to be painted, but yeah. Okay, just a second. See what I can get going. Okay, so there's the train. Every time I make a video, the train comes by. I've got the little headlight bezel curing up under there, so hopefully we'll be able to have a mold of that. And she's painting her exhaust pipe.
Isn't this an engine?
Oh, you're painting the transmission? Okay, she's just going by the box. That's fine, you can. So she's painting all her.
Was I not supposed to paint this?
No, you paint anything you want to paint. But she's painting the transmission and the exhaust, and I guess then the engine will be painted. Would they have been blue? I wouldn't think the engines were blue in these. They would all be black, probably, or aluminum.
Well, I'm glad you said something, because I was going to paint it.
Alright, so look how nice and neat she is. She's got all her stuff laid out.
Everything in order.
Here's my bench.
Yeah, I can't handle that.
She's about to paint some her parts that, like the bumpers, they messed up to begin with, and they had to strip those. And got the roll bar, the bumpers, the license plate. That's it?
Yep, and then we'll gloss paint.
And then we got to mix up gloss paint for the wheels.
And then I think we're done.
And pretty much done painting. So we got some Tamiya. First time with Tamiya paint, and I spilled half of it right there. Okay, it's already in there.
Oh, I know. I just did.
So using the little Hobby Nut portable airbrush. Okay, it's on. Ready to go. All right, so I'm going to turn the. Yeah, you want to switch it on? Your what?
I'm about to paint my rims gloss black.
Actually,
semi-gloss
black. Okay. What kind of paint are we using? Do you remember?
Something with a T.
It's Tamiya.
Okay.
Tamiya. All right. She's going to put the surgical mask on. do surgery.
Yep. Wait, I got it on upside down. Okay.
Out there's one right here.
Oh yeah.
While she's doing that, the mode looking good. I hope that this works, because unless somebody out there's got a Jeep they want to get off one of those headlight bezels, we'll be needing it. Oh no, I just noticed I had a leak. Oh boy, look at that. Oh well. This camera is so crazy. Getting it?
Yeah. What about this one?
We'll have to put that. Where's that stick that it was on?
It wasn't on when it must have fell off.
Okay. All right, I gotta cut the camera. I gotta help her for a second. Okay, she's about to dry brush a little bit.
Whoa, I got a lot of paint.
It's okay.
Sorry.
So we're gonna use this medium gray. So it's just something to liven up the chassis, because at this point all that black is just really just kind of, there's no life to it. So hold on, how much paint do you have?
Just like that.
Okay, so what I would do, although I shouldn't be showing you anything because that's just bad for me to show you how to do anything, I would get more paint in the bristles.
Okay.
And get it like at least the width of the brush, but don't so kind of just drag a little out of it, and then twist your bristles around so it will evenly get inside your bristles. And I'm going to demonstrate for you real fast, and I hold the paper real good. So what I do is I mash it hard, and I get enough paint out here like that, so where you're actually really evening it out into the brush.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. You're good. I would say that's good for now, but remember, the first place you touch is going to be the heaviest, and you would want to go somewhat in all directions, so it won't just look like you went sideways with the brush, you went that way.
Oh.
So in theory, if this was a driven car, the marks would be lengthways with it. There you go. And you're starting from the back going there, and you would also want to go the opposite way, just like that. And the harder you press, the more is going to come out. That really helps a lot. And your axles and everything, if you do that. I don't wish I could see this. Well, you can actually. Even though this is new, it's going to be a new Jeep. It's still.
It's been driven.
Okay, so it's a pre-owned.
Yeah.
Make sure you don't have.
I did.
Okay.
I actually don't think I have enough. Well, there again.
There you go.
I think that's good. Yeah. Uh-oh. Okay, let me try to do your little trick there.
Yeah. You got it. That gets paint all in the whole brush. That's okay. This is also, so just twist it. If you'll take that thing and there you go. That way you're not leaving any bristles with paint on, like heavy paint. But if you ever get anything that's real heavy, because this is water paint, you can just take your finger or a wet, if it's too heavy, a wet Q-tip.
Oh.
But that's how it needs to look right there. That really livens the parts up.
I think that looks good. I don't think I want to do any more.
That's good.
Ta-da!
Alright, so she gave it some life. It helps a lot, especially that belly pan right there. Looks good. Alrighty.
Alright guys, so I've been sitting here for like 2.5 hours painting these little small things like this little rear mirror, my windshield wipers, I can't remember what those things are called. Something that has to do with the... Oh no, did I lose a speed? Okay. Lost my exhaust cap. I think that's what that was called when I looked it up. It was an exhaust cap. Wow, he's back already. He was washing my brush. Anyway, and I've been doing some detailing in here, painting in my cup holders. So, anyway, it doesn't look like much, but I've been sitting here for a while.
How long have you been here? About 2 hours?
2.5 hours.
Did you show me your rims?
Oh yeah, my rims.
She did get her rims painted the semi-gloss black.
How do I get it to focus?
Looks good.
It's not focusing.
It's focused to me, but my eyes.
Okay,
aren't
well,
focused,
anyway.
so.
Yeah, got this painted semi-gloss that's not focused. Oh well, I don't know how to work this camera, so
I don't either.
I'm just going to pass it back to him. Here you go. Oh, it's hot.
Don't want to send me with those back. I can't see you now, so anyway, I can't tell if it's focused or anything. Is it?
You've got like...
Oh man, I can't see. My eyes are so...
You need me to hold it?
You're
blind.
After I take those glasses off, I can't see a darn thing. So if it was not... What is it?
There.
Anyway, so she got... Doesn't look like much. This video was like, did she get anything done? She did get a lot done. It's all ready to put together now. So everything is painted.
Mm-hmm.
I got to get that part casted that I'm making the mold for, and hopefully that works out good. Or else, do you guys have anybody got spare parts for a Jeep Rubicon headlight bezel thing? If not, we're going to try and do that. But she's doing good. It's going to look really nice.
I hope so.
Don't forget to check out Heather Hanscom over at the Blue Ox Model Shop, and check out her Jeep build as well. And can't wait to get these two finished and see how they turn out. But I know how this one's turning out. It's turning out great. But thank you for watching.
We need to about Ruthie, her little channel. That she just started.
Okay. So this has nothing to do with. This is not model related at all. But this is a little plug for Ruthie. She just started herself a little YouTube channel. It's called Simply Ruth. Until she changes that. I think that was just something to come up with until she thought farther into it. But she's only got one video. We're about to get another one put up or uploaded.
It'd probably be something more that your wives would enjoy.
Oh, definitely.
Ruthie loves to cook and to bake, and she always has since she was little. And so now she just decided to start videoing it. So.
Yeah, and it's not like on at least the video she's done. She's done a bunch of videos. She just hasn't uploaded them all. She doesn't do any talking. It's just like sounds and
it's supposed to be like a relaxing,
soothing
type.
And she does a good
video.
job. So anyway, I will link her channel in the description so you guys can go over there. She would be more than thrilled if you said to her.
She would love that. So please subscribe to her.
But yeah, thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing to my channel and getting me to where, or us to where we're at. Don't forget to go to Hobby Nut Models where the little air compressor came from. I'll link that in the description as well, that air compressor over at Hobby Nut. Go check that out. Grab some paint. Also used paint that came from there, the Tamiya flat and semi-gloss paint. First time I ever used any Tamiya paint. Yes, that's the first time I've ever used that. But it worked out great.
Sounds like a girl's name.
Tamiya. She said it sounds like a girl's name. Okay, so we're done, and we will see you on the next one. Also, check out the Facebook group, the Teespring store, and the battery's about to go dead, so I better talk faster. Patreon guys, thank you so much for your support, and we will see you on part 4. What is? I don't even know what part this is. But anyway, see you guys later. Take care.
Bye.